Hi, this is Gopinath. Today we are going to see triangle law of addition. So, the triangle law of addition is meant for vectors. What is vector? A vector is a magnitude having direction. So, some of the vectors are force, velocity, and acceleration. So, these quantities have magnitude. For example, the force is measured in Newton, the velocity is measured in meter per second, and acceleration meter per second square. So, these shows the magnitude. Whereas force, if you take the force, here if the force is applied towards north means it shows the direction north. So, that is an example for direction. Next, we are going to see the triangle law of addition. Say example, A is a vector and B is also another vector. Both are acting in clockwise direction. So the resultant will be the C vector. So the answer is C vector is equal to A vector plus B vector. If you see, this is the vector, these vectors, the A and B are acting in anti-clockwise direction and C is acting in clockwise direction. This is the rule behind the triangle law of addition or triangular law of addition. Next, we are going to see the parallelogram law of addition. See, if a vector A is acting here and another B vector is acting here, the angle between these two is theta. So, the resultant will be the diagonal of the parallelogram formed by the two adjacent sides A and B vector. So, now the resultant R is making an angle of alpha. So, we have to find the value quantity length of R as well as we have to find the alpha. So, here R denotes the length of R denotes the magnitude and the alpha denotes the direction. So, if we take here R is equal to A plus B vector vectorially, but if you take analytically, it is equal to whole square root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta, where A and B we are taking only the magnitude values. Similarly, if we take the direction of alpha, it is tan inverse of B sin theta divided by A plus B cos theta. From this, we come to know there are two types of law of addition for vectors. One is triangle law of addition, another one is parallelogram law of addition. Third, if you take, it can be called as Polygon Law of Addition. That I am going to do right now. In Polygon Law of Addition, if you take the vectors A vector, B vector, C vector and D vector, all the vectors moving in same anti-clockwise direction, the resultant will be the R vector, which is moving in clockwise direction. So this is called as Polygon law of addition. So in Polygon law of addition, that is, all the vectors are taken in such a way that all the tails are combined with the head of the another vector, so that the resultant will be in opposite direction connecting the last vector and the initial vector. This is called as resultant vector. Here R vector is equal to so all the resultant vector R is equal to R plus A plus B plus C plus D vectors. So this is called as resultant of vectors. I hope you understand all the concepts of vectors, right? So we will see it with some other concepts in future. Thank you all. Bye.